What's a hifiulu?
It's a haircutting ceremony. It's Niuean tradition. It's culture, it's history, it's who we are.
It's who we are. From the moment this father and son appear on the screen, you can feel the essence of the story. Hifiulu is a short documentary about the journey of 9-year-old Luka to his first haircutting ceremony, an important Niuean tradition normally reserved for the firstborn son.
It was special all the way up to the day where he was able to take the seat, take the throne, and get his hair cut.
My name is Luka.
How old are you?
3.
The journey started when on the film when he was 3. You know, he's got hair there. So all those years, all the sacrifices and all the time that people spend to look after the uru, the hair, we chose that.
Ow, no.
You.
Dad's doing it.
No.
Luka's father, Shane, is Niuean and his mum is Samoan Palangi. Shane did not celebrate this tradition growing up, which makes this hifiulu all the more special.
Perhaps my dreams were lived in my son because I never had one. I never had long hair. I decided to have long hair afterwards to learn and to have that identification.
Sitting on his throne, Luka took each snip with the scissors in his stride.
They tied the ribbons really close to my head, so when they cut it, they had to pull it. No, but I could feel the hair being really pulled tight.
Extremely proud. I'm not a man for many words, but I was extremely proud. He was awesome. The family around us was awesome. The support we were able to get from the church, the community. I think those who have had haircuts or hifiulu ceremonies in the past, they'll know that a lot goes into it.
Directed by Luka's auntie Chantel, it was a story close to her heart.
I mean, being able to interview my family as well, it definitely gave a deeper insight. I love Luka a lot. He gives me a lot of sass, which is in the film, my little cameo moment. But he's great, you know, he's really loving, he's really smart, and he will also, if he didn't want to do something, he would say so.
The film highlighting the importance of keeping the language and culture alive for the next generation.
I'm born in New Zealand, but I was raised by my grandparents and I was blessed with the gift of the language. Certainly there are a few gaps there of my culture and my tradition, but that's something that we need to nurture.
May God bless you all today and always. Thank you all.
Now with a new haircut, Luka looks forward to getting to school on time.
Better to maintain and I don't have to do it every morning and be late for school.
I hope one day Luka looks back that he represented the past and the present and the future of all Niuean boys who go through that journey.